If you are a diabetic, I'm sure you know that you have to avoid eating sugar. But do you know that if you have a thyroid problem or any other kind of a autoimmune health problem, then you should also avoid sugar? Why is that so? And in place of the sugar, what you can do, we will be discussing about that in today's topic. Namaste. My name is Dr. Tanvi Mayur Patel. I'm an endocrinologist, hormone specialist doctor from Mumbai, India. Autoimmune diseases are increasing day by day. And most of the thyroid problem in today's time is autoimmune type. Either you have Hashimoto disease or you have a Graves disease. Or if you might be having any other autoimmune problem like alopecia, vitiligo, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, digestive discomfort, type 1 diabetes. You can have any kind of autoimmune disease. If you have that, then this video is for you. When we talk about the autoimmune disease and a reversal of that disease, many factors we have to play in mind. One important is your diet. And when we talk about the autoimmune diet, there's a special kind of a diet included in your daily lifestyle so that you can reduce the complication and reverse the disease. Two important steps happens in the autoimmune diet. Step 1, that is a complete omission, where you restrict yourself completely from eating certain inflammatory food. 3 categories of food come in this. First one is a sugar, second is a dairy products, and the third one is a grain, especially the wheat. Once you completely stop consuming such food products for 3 to 6 months, okay, you are giving time to your body to heal, okay, all the inflammation reduces. After this period, the reintroduction period starts, wherein you gradually reintroduce one by one food categories. And then you observe that what difference does it make in your overall health journey, okay. So when we talk about the autoimmune diet and autoimmune transitions, okay, the sugar elimination is a very important and integral part. But it is not as easily accepted by the person. Many times people tell me, doctor, I don't have thyroid problem, I don't have sugar problem, my blood sugar levels are good, why should I eliminate? Doctor, I eat only 1 to 2 teaspoons every day. Sometimes they say, doctor, I have a lot of sweet craving. From childhood I have eaten sweet. I cannot survive without that. Well, I completely understand this kind of a situation and I do hear these issues very commonly. So that's why in today's topic, I am telling you certain alternative. So when I tell my patient that you have to avoid sugar, the very first thing they will ask, doctor, I am giving this alternative. Will it work? Can I eat raw sugar? Can I eat brown sugar? Can I eat castor sugar? Can I eat agave syrups? Okay. Can I use honey? Can I use sweeteners like sucralose, aspartame, xylitol? Answer is unfortunately no. And then what are you left with? Okay, so I'm giving you one alternative which you can include and which does help, okay, and that's none other than coconut sugar, also called it as a coconut palm sugar. Though the name means coconut sugar, it actually doesn't come from coconut fruit, it comes from the sap of the coconut palm tree. Okay, this is 100% vegetarian. It is a vegan. Okay, you are not taking any help of any animal. So if you're vegetarian, if you're vegan, you can definitely include that. Okay, why coconut palm sugar? Certain points which I will tell you. First, it is not from animal origin, so it is not going to be any kind of inflammatory. Okay, inflammation is the one which we are fighting for in autoimmune disease. Okay. Second, the coconut palm sugar contains a large amount of inulin. Okay, inulin is a very important probiotic. Okay, just for your information, inulin is a very important for thyroid health and other autoimmune health. Okay, because when you have inulin in a larger quantity and in a adequate quantity, you will find that your digestive system health improves. There is a very important gut-brain axis, gut hormone axis, gut endocrine axis exists in our body, and if your digestive system is healthy, your other hormones also function well. Okay, insulin is a very good probiotic. It helps growth of the beneficial bacteria which are present in your large intestine, that's colon. And that's why inulin, you should be taking it on a regular basis, and coconut palm sugar contains a good amount of inulin probiotic fiber. Okay. Not only that, the coconut palm sugar, the glycemic index is much lower than the regular conventional white sugar. And if you have a higher glycemic index food, okay, the more the higher glycemic index food, higher will be the fluctuation in your blood sugar, higher will be the fluctuation in your blood insulin. And both insulin as well as the sugar are inflammatory. So we want as minimum fluctuations as possible, and that's the reason why you need to have a low glycemic index food, and coconut palm sugar does fall into that, so you can include. Okay, many times people feel that why not fruit sugars, okay, why not fructose syrups are easily available, and in fact they are added in most of the processed food. See, when you have larger amount of fructose, it gets converted into triglyceride, and then that converts into the fat. Okay, and that can also lead you into fatty liver and other kind of a fatty problems. Okay, so that's why even a fructose sugar you need to avoid, and a coconut palm sugar becomes a better alternative than any of them. All right. Not only that, because it is derived from the plant, it does have a good amount of nutrients like potassium, zinc, calcium, iron. So it is definitely a more nutritive than any other sugar. Okay, white sugar definitely has only empty calories, no nutrition. Comparative to that, coconut palm sugar is definitely much better than that. All right. Another thing, where do you get it? You will get it from most of the places, but just for your convenience, I have shared a few links in the description box and in the comment box. If you want to order this coconut palm sugar, you can take a help of that, and you will be taken to an online portal from where you can order. All right. Why I have included this? The main reason is that I do not know at which part of the world where you are located. Most of my videos are also seen by smaller villages where they don't get all these products very easily, and then we get a direct messages from the viewers that doctor is not available in my city, and what do I do? So for your convenience, I have shared that link. If you want, you can avail the benefit of that. All right. One point which you need to keep in mind, of course, it is a coconut palm sugar. Of course, it's a sugar, so it is not a 0 calorie. It has a calorie, so it does not mean that you have to have a larger quantity, because it is a calorie. Okay, but a healthy calorie, a better calorie. All right. So comparative to the regular sugar, this is definitely much better. Do include them if you have any kind of an autoimmune problem or a thyroid problem. If you have a diabetes, then also you can include this than any conventional kind of a sugar. All right. I hope it helps, and I hope after watching this video, you got some good and useful information. If yes, please click on the like button. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription gives me encouragement to make such more videos. And if you have any of your personal question whose answer you are seeking for, write that in the comment box below. I try to read and answer them as early as I can. We will meet again. Till then, you take care of yourself. Namaste.